Hello friends, how are you? In today's video, we will talk about sales, marketing, and the difference between sales and marketing. Okay, what is sales? Sales is mere a transaction which is happening between the buyer and the seller. What does it mean? Say, as a buyer, I have certain requirements, and in the market, there is some product available which is meeting the requirements of the buyer. And then buyer goes to the market and meets the seller, negotiate the price and buy it by paying. This is a simple transaction. In this process, yes, sales is converting product or maybe company service into cash or revenue. Sales is a product specific. It is specific to the product or to the service. Sale is a tangible in nature. It means it is always measurable, quantifiable. And sales is a short-term approach, unlike marketing, which is a long-term. Now let us understand what is marketing. Look, marketing is all about creating, delivering, and most importantly, communicating the values to the customer. Marketing is understanding and responding to the needs of the customer. So it has to be customer focus, unlike sales, which is a product focus. Marketing is multidimensional, complex, and dynamic in nature, and it is partly tangible and intangible as well. See, we all should remember that sales is also important, of course, and marketing plays a greater role over and above sales in any organization, irrespective of the product or the service they are into or the size of the company, right from the big, medium to large scale organizations. Sales is a transaction and marketing is process. It's a practice and has emphasis on service to the customer, which fulfills mutual satisfaction of seller, buyer, and also the stakeholders. And marketing, as I said, it deals with the product, which could be launch of new product or launching of the existing product into the new market. It deals with pricing, scans the pricing in the market with the competition, and it also looks into the demand and supply gap and then try to optimize the pricing to the company. Marketing also takes care of promotional activities, promoting the product. It takes care of distribution as well. Distribution is physical movement of the product from the plant, that is the manufacturing site, to the customer, that is the consumption point, where the product is getting consumed. Marketing also takes care of market research or a consumer research, and all importantly, in modern era of marketing deals with the branding. Now, branding is a very huge subject, which we will see in the subsequent slides. In the subsequent videos. So now, with the understanding what we have so far, what does marketing does? Marketing understands the customer needs and coordinate with plant for producing the product which is meeting the requirement of the customer or enhancing the requirements of the customer by providing certain extra or additional features. And marketing is also into generating the customer satisfaction. And apart from just generating customer satisfaction, one need to measure it. Then only you will know whether the actions taken are adequate or not, and what corrections are required to be done in order to meet the customer requirements or having the customer satisfaction. Marketing is into building relationship with customer. You need to have a long-term relationship with the customer. Unlike sales, which is one time or transaction based, which could have a repeat sales or not. That depends. So in order to have a repeated sales of a same product with the same customer, one need to have lots of marketing activities in building relationships, etc. And marketing also acts on the competition, and it also looks into the activities of competitor and try to overtake it, or maybe to negate the activities of the competition. In the current scenario, marketing has failed on many grounds. See, as long as you are meeting your requirements of the company with respect to top line or a bottom line or a market share or a brand recognition and spending within the budget, etc., everybody is happy with you. If there are any changes in this from the expectation versus the actual, then top management is after you. It means you get attacked from the top management. And there is an attack from the customers as well. How? For not meeting the requirements of the customer in totality, or not fulfilling the promise of the product or a service which you have claimed. And in the process, many times we have seen the people practice unethical practices. They follow unethical practices, which these are the things which will get a kickback from the customers. And most importantly, there is an attack from the society also. Most of the marketers tend to exploit the society, the values and beliefs, and in the process they become not trustworthy. So these are the difficulties or challenges what we face as a marketing person. I hope you have understood about the sales, marketing, the differences and importance of sales and marketing, etc. Thank you, friends. I hope you are okay with the video contents, and in case if you are happy with it, request you to kindly press the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you, gentlemen.